Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS5 V6 versus V8. Focus on engine feel, performance, and ownership costs as we go. I will describe how each engine delivers power, how weight affects handling, and what that means for daily driving. Expect clear examples of acceleration, cornering balance, and cabin noise. I will also list typical fuel numbers, servicing needs, and resale tendencies so you can decide which fits your priorities. I will explain the performance differences between the engines and what you will feel on the road. The V6 tends to feel lighter and more eager in everyday driving, while the V8 rewards with a deeper note and stronger top end. I will compare 0 to 60 responses, throttle mapping, and how each engine affects transmission behavior. These practical points will help you choose based on spirited driving or refined daily use. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping snacks and tools secure in your trunk, and they cut down mess after track days or road trips. They seal tight, stack neatly, and make life easier between drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you weigh the ownership trade-offs so you can budget realistically. Expect differences in fuel numbers, insurance premiums, and common service items tied to engine type. I will outline typical maintenance intervals, likely repair costs, and how these impact total cost of ownership. These facts will show which engine makes sense for commuting, weekend fun, or long-term investment, depending on your priorities and driving habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.